Today we'll discuss on revolutionized geological survey, UAVs and drones in geology. So the use of UAV and drones have revolutionized in the field of geological survey. These technologies provide high resolution data and enable access to remote hazard or hazardous area. This presentation will explore the various applications and benefits of UAVs and drones in geology. So traditional survey challenges. Traditional geological survey often face challenges such as as limited accessibility to remote areas, safety concerns in hazardous terrains, and time-consuming data collection. These limitations can hinder the accuracy and the efficiency of geological assessments. UAVs in geological mapping. UAVs equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors can efficiently conduct geological mapping. They provide detailed imagery and data of terrain features, enabling geologists to analyze geological formations and identify potential resources with precision. Mineral exploration. UAVs play a crucial role in mineral exploration by conducting aerial survey to identify mineral deposits. Their ability to cover large areas and collect data in diverse terrains significantly enhances the efficiency of mineral depth prospecting. Geohazard assessment. UAVs are instrumental in geohazard assessment by providing real-time monitoring of unstable geological features. They enable geologists to assess landslide risks, volcanic activity, and other natural hazards with improved accuracy and safety. 3D modeling and visualization. UAV facilitate the creation of detailed 3D models and visual representations of geological formations. These models aid geologists in analyzing the structural complexities and landscapes and geological features with enhanced clarity and depth. Environmental monitoring. UAVs are utilized for environmental monitoring in geological surveys, enabling the assessment of ecosystem changes, vegetation cover, and land degradation. These data supports the understanding of environmental impacts related to geological activities. Data accuracy and efficiency. The use of UAVs and drones significantly enhances the accuracy and efficiency of geological surveys. Their ability to collect high-resolution data in fraction of time required for traditional methods improves the overall quality and geological assessments. Challenges and limitations. Despite their numerous benefits, the use of UAVs in geological survey presents challenges such as limited flight endurance, weather dependencies, and regulatory restrictions. Overcoming these limitations is crucial for maximizing the potential of UAV technology in geology. Feature per prospect. The future of geological survey will witness further advancements in UAV technology, including enhanced sensors, longer flight endurance, and improved data processing capabilities. These developments will continue to reshape the field of geology and geological exploration. Several case studies demonstrate the successful integration of UAVs in geological surveys, showcasing their impact on mineral exploration, geological mapping, and environmental monitoring. These real-world examples highlight the practical applications and benefit of UAV technology in geology. In conclusion, the integration of UAVs and drones has transformed the landscape of geological surveys, offering unprecedented capabilities in the data data collection, mapping, monitoring. As technology continues to advance, the potential for UAVs in geology remains limitless, promising further innovation and efficiency in geological exploration.